visuals that react to the music and the crowd's energy. It's like something out of this world.
These festivals are just a glimpse into the future of live music. With AI, the possibilities are limitless. Okay, let's talk about you. How will AI enhance your festival experience? For starters, imagine getting personalized recommendations for bands you've never even heard of, but are guaranteed to love. No more wandering aimlessly, hoping to stumble upon something good. AI will guide you to your new favorite artist.
And what about those pesky logistics? Forget about waiting in line for hours. AI-powered systems will get you your food, drinks, and merchandise faster, so you can spend less time queuing and more time enjoying the music.
But it gets even better. Imagine wearing a wristband that tracks your location and sends you alerts about upcoming acts, special offers, and even meeting points with your friends. With AI, you'll never miss a beat, literally.
AI is all about creating a more personalized, immersive, and convenient festival experience for you.
Now, let's be real for a second. Like any new technology, AI has its challenges. Data privacy, for example, is a big one. We need to make sure that AI is used responsibly and that our personal information is protected. And then there's the question of human connection. We don't want AI to replace the human element of festivals.
We still need real people to interact with, share experiences with, and create those special festival memories. But these are hurdles, not roadblocks. We're constantly learning and finding new ways to make AI work for us, not against us.
The key is to strike a balance between innovation and human connection. And I believe we can do it. So, there you have it. AI is transforming music festivals as we know them. From personalized recommendations to mind-blowing visuals, AI is taking the festival experience to a whole new level. Sure, there are challenges to overcome, but the future is bright. I envision a world where technology and music work hand in hand to create truly unforgettable experiences. This isn't just about entertainment. It's about connection. It's about using technology to bring people together and create shared moments of joy and wonder. Get ready for the future of festivals, people. It's going to be epic.